Coming up in this video, guys, we've got a really satisfying earwax ring in this one, which is, you don't see rings very often.
You do not inside the ear canals, you don't. So this is my patient, and you'll see there was a hole in the center of that wax to start with, but the patient came through for a hearing health check. And it's really important if you're having any kind of hearing test done that we need to be able to see as much of that eardrum as we possibly can. So we decided we need to remove this wax before we can test this patient effectively. But we've got this really dry ring of wax. Now this patient currently wears hearing aids, and I think this is why they're getting this really dry sort of wax build up, is because the wax is trying to migrate out, but it's hitting the end of the hearing aid and then just accumulating around that area of the canal. But it's coming away nicely. But look at that. Yeah. You had one that was a bit like this the other day, didn't you? That sort of skin ring.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Taylor had one, a couple of, I might have spoilt it. I'm not sure whether it's coming up or we've done it. If we've done it, I'll put a link to it up there. If it's coming up, make sure you stay tuned for that one, because that's a good one.
You probably caught, I know this is your patient, but you probably caught a little sort of white,
yes,
couple of white patches on the, I'm losing my voice, sorry guys, a couple of white patches on the patient's eardrum. Now that could potentially be from previous grommets, perforations, or recurring infections that may have happened as a child. We do see it quite often. It's called tympanosclerosis, and it's essentially just scarring on the eardrum. And
you were bang on, because this patient had a history of grommets.
Oh,
there you are, see? And you can actually see it there as well, that what Taylor was talking about, just below the number on the thing, you can just see the white cloudy patch there on the eardrum, and that's the tympanosclerosis. Yeah, patient had bilateral grommets as well.
Right.
Interesting one, this one.
Very common as children, when you're a child, as children. Very common when you're a child. Less common to see as an adult, but not unknown.
So we're just tidying up this dry layer of skin around the outside edge here, just taking away these few bits and pieces. Guys, we put a short video on. So I normally put a short video on every other night. I didn't have one short enough to do a short, so I just put one of our shorter wax removals on as well. It's been actually quite nice, posting a bit more often as well, and seeing the engagement has been lovely. There we go. 2 patches of tympanosclerosis there. So we've got 2.5 centimeters. You can see a little ring around the 1 centimeter or the 3/8 of an inch mark. But yeah, 2 centimeters, what's that in inches? 1 inch, thank you very much. No, we couldn't see that, I was looking at it. So 1 inch worth of wax. Well guys, thank you so much for watching our video today. I'm not really sure which one to pop in at the end. I'll find one that we can put in up here if you're watching this on YouTube to have a little look at. But as always guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye all.
Bye.